Mangosteen contains potent xanthones, specifically gartanin and alpha-mangosteen, which can kill up to 97% of human bladder cancer cells in vitro after just 72 hours of exposure. These are not theoretical results. This is documented, peer-reviewed science. What makes this study explosive is that concentrations required to achieve this effect are achievable in humans. Urinary levels of xanthones can reach up to 11 micromolar after drinking mangosteen juice, enough to suppress most bladder cancer cell lines by 40 to 80%. These compounds trigger apoptosis, autophagy, and inhibit critical cancer signaling pathways such as mTOR, giving natural, non-toxic intervention a real chance to fight cancer in ways the pharmaceutical industry has systematically ignored.